has smiled. Oh, my clock has fallen. How happy I am. Tomorrow I can get the play. Next morning there is no alarm, so Neha sleeps and sleeps. Ooh, ooh. Wake up, dear. Wake up. Wake up fast. Oh no, it's not alarm clock. It's this bird. Just go from here. Why don't you leave me alone? Now this wish of me has come. The next morning there is no alarm clock, there is no bird, but there is servants and guests. Who? I am sun, the big bright sun. Wake up, dear. Wake up. Wake up fast. Oh no, my eyes. Now it's the sun waking me up. Why can't he let me be? Even this wish of Neha's comes true. Next morning, the sun is behind the clouds. Wake up, sleepyhead. You will miss the bus. Oh no, Mama. Why are you waking me up? There is no escape. Can you imagine what happened next day? Oh, it's 6 o'clock, Ma. You woke me up today? Who else? You, of course, my child. But I was sleeping. How could I? Now tell me, why do you eat your lunch every day at 1 in the afternoon? Because I feel hungry. Why do you sleep at night every night? Because I feel sleepy. Listen, my child, there is a clock inside you which tells you when to eat, when to sleep, when to wake up. Oh, I better rush now. I don't want to miss the bus. Relax, my child. Today is Sunday. Oh.